Okay, if we look at this question, graph the following equation using the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so this is a bit more awkward. You need to find the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, put it on the graph, and then use the slope to go to another point. Okay, remember difference in y's over difference in x's? Are you going to go up and on or down and on? What are you going to do to go to another point so you can draw the straight line between them? Now, this equation, okay, let's get this going. This equation is written in the y equals mx plus b form. If you use your notes, remember this is the slope intercept form of the equation when it's written as y equals something x and a number. Okay, so m, remember from previous videos, is the slope, and we call b the y-intercept. It's just this number here. So this right here is your y-intercept. Okay, and then think about it, the number next to the x is the slope. So my slope must be negative 1/4. Okay, so remember, y-intercept and slope. So let's have a quick look at this. Right, where am I going to put the y-intercept? At negative 3. By the way, let's write it over here. If it's just negative 3, this is what you do. You've got to write it correctly. Remember, y-intercept is a 0 for x, and then this one is negative 3. Okay, so that's how you would do the y-intercept. It's taken straight from the question. And the slope, remember, is negative 1/4. That's all you have to put. Slope, negative 1/4. It's all there in the question. It's graphing it might be a bit harder. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look at this. So, where's negative 3 on the y-axis? Right there. I'm going to put a line there. Okay. Now, remember, here we go. Slopes. Difference in y over difference in x. This means that for this one, the y difference is 1, the x difference is 4. But remember, it's a negative slope. You've got to make sure it looks something like that. It's going downhill no matter how steep it is, okay? So, from this negative 3, from my y-intercept, I'm going to go down 1 and over 4. If it was a positive slope, I would have gone up 1 and over 4. But I'm going to go down 1 to here, then over 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put another little cross there. Okay, and that's it. Those are my 2 points. The negative 3 is given to me from the question, so put it on. If it had been positive 3, it would have gone up here. The slope is down 1 over 4, so that's my slope. Okay, difference in y's over difference in x's. And now I shall just join these two together, and that's pretty much it. Now remember, everywhere on this graph, on this line, is down 1 over 4. That's the slope. If I did it again from here, if I went down 1 and over 4, again, I'll have another point which should lie exactly on the straight line. So I can just extend it nicely if I want to. Okay, so that's all. It's always down 1 over 4. And that's how you draw those when it's in the slope-intercept form. Use the intercept and use the slope to draw the graph.